Retail arbitrage for Amazon FBA involves buying discounted or clearance items from retail stores and reselling them on Amazon for a profit. Here's a concise guide. Identify profitable products. Use tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, or the Amazon Seller app to scan products in retail stores. Check for sales rank, competition, and profitability. Check restrictions. Ensure the product is not restricted for your account and that you are allowed to sell it on Amazon. Visit retail stores. Shop at stores like Walmart, Target, TJ Maxx, and local clearance sections. Look for discounted or clearance items. Scan barcodes. Use the Amazon Seller app to scan product barcodes. Compare the purchase price with the selling price on Amazon to determine potential profit. Buy products. Purchase items with a good profit margin and a high sales rank. Prep for FBA. Follow Amazon's guidelines for labeling and packaging. Each product needs a scannable barcode. List products on Amazon. Create listings for your products if they don't already exist. Ensure accurate descriptions and competitive pricing. Create a shipping plan. In Seller Central, create a shipment plan. Enter the quantities and prep details, then print shipping labels. Pack items. Pack your products according to Amazon's shipping requirements. Send shipment. Ship the package to the designated Amazon fulfillment center. Track sales. Monitor your inventory and sales through Amazon Seller Central. Adjust prices. Use repricing tools to stay competitive.